So welcome to this tech channel. So I have this unique product, so we can call it a hand fan or mini fan. So it's safe, and it have two blade, as you can see. So it is a manual fan. Also, it is a portable, and it have a power level of 1. You can press it here from here, and you can see the result. You can see these two blade are rotating, so you can carry it in anywhere. So it is very portable, and if you have a hot place, so it is portable for like if you are traveling with bus and car. If you don't have any type of AC in your car and bus, then you can have this product. So it is a good product, and you can see you have to press it from it here and manually. So you can see, I think it is a long lasting. So press here and you can see it is rotating. So that's all it have. So it is a unique product. So also like, share and subscribe to this tech channel, so you can see also its power.